Hello everyone, Tom Ass from Michigan, and I'm starving over here. Today I'm going to put together a rub. A friend of mine on YouTube, he submitted this pulled pork rub. I'm going to put that together. Root Boy Cooks. I'll have his iCard up here and this link in the description box. He posted the full recipe on his video, so check that out. Another friend of mine, Pickles Barbecue, yeah, sent me these nice stickers, 2 of them. Thank you, Charlie. He's got some pulled pork recipes up that are just out of this world. It's a pretty simple recipe. The only thing they called for was toasted onions, which I really wasn't familiar with, but I ordered them off of Amazon. There's 1/4 cup each of kosher salt, black pepper, and toasted onion. And then 2 tablespoons of smoky paprika. And then everything else is 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon chili powder. 1 tablespoon ground ginger. 1 tablespoon cumin. And 1 tablespoon dried mustard. Just as easy as that. We'll put the lid on this. And just like that, we have Root Boy Cooks pulled pork dry rub. We're gonna get us a pulled pork. I'm gonna cook mine in a Weber. That video will be upcoming, so get on the edge of your seat and wait for it.